Hi, my name is Brian Matlock. This is a 2.5-minute video that is meant to outline who we are and what it is we do. We are Arizona Land Partners. We're a handful of seasoned real estate investors with a long and frankly a very compelling history of successful investing in the greater Phoenix area. We're Arizona natives, we're licensed, and we have decades of experience doing this. Our approach is straightforward, and it falls naturally out of three economic dynamics. The first, the Phoenix area is going to continue to grow, and this is not a disputed or a controversial point. Secondly, the specific nature of land ownership in Greater Phoenix makes it a straightforward task to know where that growth is going to land. There are unique reasons that that growth is constrained to fairly specific channels. Third, the Greater Phoenix area grows through a continuously repeating development cycle. And importantly, that cycle is surprisingly predictable and therefore exploitable by people who are paying attention. We are paying attention. Our strategy is to simply get out in front of that growth, to take our understanding of where we are in that development cycle, to recognize where that development is going, where it's headed, and then to use that information to find and purchase strategic pieces at opportunistic prices. We're deeply connected to this market. We look at hundreds of parcels and we only buy the standouts, those that are particularly well located and priced for big moves in value. Once we own that land, we'll often do some engineering to prepare it for resale to a developer, and then we'll simply allow that expanding sphere of development to predictably and many times radically inflate the value of the assets that we purchase. And frankly, the results have been fantastic. They've been stellar. And I'm not talking about the exceptions. I'm not talking about the rare deal that we stumble upon. I'm talking about our typical deals. I'm talking about what we expect to happen for every piece of land that we purchase. Listen, I want to give you the information that's going to back up these claims. If you like the idea of leveraging the expertise, the presence, and the profit motive of some local insiders, then I encourage you to watch the next video. It's about 30 minutes long, and it's going to unpack the reasons for our strategy. It's going to give you some details of past deals quite transparently, and it's going to give you some historical information about the Phoenix real estate market that I think you're going to find very compelling. Watch the video, do some research, do some thinking, then give me a call. I think you'll be glad that you did. Thanks for listening.